Have you ever experienced aubergine elevated to gourmet?
Delicately crisp on the outside, tender within. Each slice is paired with a rich, slow-roasted cherry tomato sauce. Before we get cooking, go ahead and preheat your oven to 210 degrees Celsius. While that's heating up, let's prep the ingredients so we're ready to go. Line a baking tray with parchment paper.
Start by washing the cherry tomatoes and aubergine thoroughly. Once clean, transfer them to a baking tray along with whole garlic cloves. Drizzle generously with olive oil and season with freshly ground black pepper for a rich, roasted flavor. Slide the tray into your preheated oven and let the magic happen. Roast for about 20 minutes until everything is golden, soft, and smelling incredible. In a mixing bowl, add the eggs, mayonnaise, and mustard. Whisk it all together until creamy and fully blended. This will give your coating extra flavor and richness. Grab a shallow dish and pour in the flour. This will be your first coating station for the aubergine slices. Next, on a separate plate, combine the breadcrumbs with Italian herbs, paprika, cumin, chopped parsley, and a sprinkle of sesame seeds. Mix well. This flavoursome blend will give your aubergine a deliciously crisp and aromatic coating. When the aubergines and tomatoes are beautifully roasted and fork tender, take them out of the oven and give them a few minutes to cool down, just enough so they're easy to handle without burning your fingers. In the meantime, in a mixing bowl, combine the roasted cherry tomatoes and roasted garlic cloves. Add the Italian herbs, salt, pepper, and fresh basil leaves. Blend until smooth and creamy. Once the aubergines are cool enough to handle, carefully peel away the skin. Work gently so the tender flesh stays whole. This will make for perfect slices. Gently press down on each aubergine to slightly flatten it. Take each aubergine and lightly dredge it in the flour, giving it a thin, even coating. Gently shake off any excess to keep things crispy. Next, dip each floured aubergine into the egg mixture. Place the egg-coated aubergine slices into the breadcrumb mixture. Heat a little oil in a frying pan and gently fry the coated aubergine slices until they're golden and crisp on each side. Flip them halfway through to get that perfect, even crunch. When the aubergines are beautifully golden and crisp, place them on a paper towel to soak up any extra oil. This keeps them light and perfectly crunchy. For the final touch, spoon a generous layer of the rich roasted cherry tomato sauce onto your serving plate. Gently place the golden crispy aubergine cutlet on top. Garnish with parsley and Parmesan cheese if you like. Save this video and follow for more recipes.